Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Rohit Anle, and today I'll be showing you how you can take screenshots easily on your Windows 10 computer. Screenshots is a very powerful tool in today's time. It lets you capture exactly what you see on your screen and you can share it with others as a reference. Say, if I want to send a document showing a particular paragraph, I can just take a simple screenshot and highlight it and then send it or share it across with my people. So the first method is the very common and popular method that is used by many people around the world. That is of using the print screen option and pasting it in your Paint application. You can find your print screen button on the top right hand side of your keyboard. Now I'll begin with pressing the print screen button on my keyboard. Now let's go to Start, right in Paint, and then we'll be clicking Ctrl+V, which allows me to paste my picture over here. Please note you can copy any kind of screenshot over here and then save it as JPEG format, and I'll be saving this at desktop and give a name screenshot 2. We can close this for now, and there we have it. The second method is using the Windows key and the print screen button on the keyboard. Over here I have opened a Wikipedia page about Microsoft. Now I want to take a screenshot of this whole screen, so I'll press the Windows key and the print screen button. Now you can either go to your pictures menu from your computer, this PC. Over here you'll find a screenshots folder. You can open up and you'll have your screenshots over here. For our final method, we'll be using the Snip Sketch tool that is already provided within Windows. The cool thing about it is that we do not have to download any kind of third-party software to take a screenshot, which is a very irritating process. Let's head over to the Start and type in Snip Sketch. Now I'll be selecting this option for the demonstration purposes, but if you want to know a secret key or a shortcut, you can use the Windows key plus Shift plus the button S. If you press all these three buttons together, it will open this app. As you can see, it's already recommended by the Windows, which is a good feature. Now here will be, before selecting the new snip, I want to show you there are two options that you get of taking a snip. You can take a snip now, or you can set a timer for 3 seconds or 10 seconds. I think this is a cool feature. For now, I'll be choosing snip now. So we have 4 options over here. The rectangular snip, which is a basic, which allows you to take rectangular snips. Second is the freeform snip, which allows you to take snip in any kind of direction that you want. The third is window snip, which allows you to take snips of the different windows that you've opened on your computer. And the final one is the full screen snip. This is the whole screen that is being shown right now. It will allow you to take the photos seamlessly. So for now I'll be using the rectangular snip. Since I like this picture, I think this from here to here, that should be good. Now we get the options to also annotate the picture or the screenshot that you have taken. You can highlight, you can write, you can draw, or you can do anything with it. That's a great feature, I suppose. Then we will be saving it. and we'll be naming this as screenshot Number 3. Here I have my JPEG format already selected. Let's close this for now. And there we have it. I hope you have learned something from today's video and you were able to take screenshots very easily. If you did so, please do give a like to this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned to more technology videos. Thank you and see you again. Bye.